Hey folks, Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guy here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. And here in Las Vegas, we have massive hotels, massive resorts. In fact, half of the largest hotels in the world are right here on the Las Vegas Strip. And we're going to take a look at them because, my God, when you get in there, these things are huge. Let's check them out and find out what the best ones are. And we're actually going to be judging these based on total number of hotel rooms, thousands of rooms on each one, and that's what we're going by. And of course there are some that do not make the list that some people might be confused about. Here's some of the honorable mentions. Now, first of all, the largest one downtown is the Golden Nugget. It has 2,419 rooms, very strip-like as far as the size compared to the smaller places downtown. Also the Flamingo, which is the first of the mob-owned casinos. It has 3,460 rooms. It doesn't make the list. And even more up there is Resorts World, which is the newest casino to open on the Strip. It has 3,506 rooms and just misses the list. Number 10 on our list of the largest hotels in Las Vegas, Circus Circus. Circus Circus has 3,773 rooms, which makes it number 10 on this list. It is also one of the oldest of the different casinos and mega resorts that has on this list. It was built in 1968. Also, very much the least expensive version of the different mega resorts that make it on this list. Pretty family friendly as far as lots of games. It's got Adventure Dome with rides and circus acts, and so it has its appeal. Number 9 on our list of the largest hotels in Las Vegas, the Bellagio. Bellagio currently has 3,993 rooms and suites, and was built in its time to be one of a spectacular type of place to be, made to look like it came from the lake country of northern Italy. It's filled with lots of dazzling suites and rooms and fountains and conservatories, and is also one of the largest in Las Vegas. Number 8 on our list of the largest hotels in Las Vegas, Caesar's Palace. Caesar's Palace is one of the older massive casinos that's on this list. Originally opened in 1966, but a much smaller property. They've been added on to quite a bit over the time. Now they're not only Caesar's Palace, but they also have the Nobu hotel property, as well as a lot of things like Forum Shops. It is a dazzling and expansive property that has just gotten bigger over the years. Number 7 on our list of the largest hotels in Las Vegas, Excalibur. Excalibur had 3,981 rooms when it opened in 1990, and for 3 years it was actually the largest hotel in the world until it was displaced in 1993. Now, the Excalibur was right in that time where everything was very thoroughly themed, in this case a medieval paradise, where they've got turrets and fortresses and suits of armor and all sorts of things to make it happy. Very kid-friendly, and it's also probably the least expensive of the MGM properties. Number 6 on our list of the largest hotels in Las Vegas, the Luxor. The Luxor was built in the late 1990s, comes in at 4,407 rooms now that an additional tower has been added to it. Again, this is a property that was very highly themed, in this case ancient Egypt with pyramids and sphinxes. It's also one of the lower cost MGM properties right next to the Excalibur. And the fun thing is a lot of the theming has gone away, but it's got wonderful architectural things like the inside of this pyramid. So an interesting place to stay. Number 5 on our list of the largest hotels in Las Vegas, Mandalay Bay. Mandalay Bay comes in at a monstrous 4,426 rooms. It's one of the MGM properties, kind of a mid-range price-wise for them. They have lots of things like the Shark Tank and all sorts of fun stuff. It's actually part of 3 different hotels in one: Mandalay Bay, Four Seasons, and Delano. And has a lot of sporting events and special events at it. So it's a pretty business thing, the very farthest south of all of the massive casinos. Number 4 on our list of the largest hotels in Las Vegas, the Wynn and Encore. The Wynn and Encore properties come in at a massive 4,750 rooms. Yeah, they're kind of considered two different hotels, but for statistic reasons, they're considered as operating at the same place. Built by Steve Wynn, they are very high in quality, very high in opulence, and they are wonderful up in the North Strip. Number 3 on our countdown to the largest hotels in Las Vegas. Number 3, City Center. Number 3 is the City Center complex. Taken all together, 6,790 rooms. A lot of different things going on in here, but primarily 3 different hotels that are all kind of together. The Aria, the Vidara, and the Waldorf Astoria. This is a plush, opulent place with lots of different possibilities out there, great views, and centrally located on the Strip. Coming down to the end with number 2 on our list of the largest hotels in Las Vegas, the MGM Grand. The MGM Grand, when it opened in 1993, was the world's largest hotel with 6,852 rooms, and actually it stayed the world's largest hotel all the way up to 2006. Today it is the number 2 in Las Vegas, the number 3 in the entire world. It is huge, the biggest casino in Las Vegas, the most rooms in Las Vegas, and it just keeps going and going and gone. You'll do a lot of walking here. And finally, topping our list of the largest hotels in Las Vegas, the Venetian and Palazzo. Now, the Venetian and the Palazzo has a total right now of 7,092 rooms. When the Venetian first opened up in 99, it wasn't the largest. It was when the Palazzo was added on a little bit later. Now, as it currently has 4,049 rooms, 3,068 suites, 120,000 square foot casino, and just a marvelous place. It is the second largest hotel in the world by room rank, and the largest in Las Vegas. There you have it, the list of the 10 largest hotels in Las Vegas, which means 10 of the largest hotels in the entire world. There you go. If you're interested in reviews of any of the individual hotels, go ahead and click on above. And hey guys, next time you're in Las Vegas, look me up. We'll have fun. Bye-bye.